Hi, my name is Dr. Lien. Welcome to our website. I am the founder of Kings Canyon Chiropractic, a natural health and wellness clinic here in Fresno, California and the Central Valley. Our office has been engineered from the ground up to help people with chronic conditions such as fibromyalgia, severe neck and back pain, debilitating headaches, chronic fatigue, chronic pain, balance and dizziness disorders. So please feel free to look at the information to your left. Again, I am Dr. Dow. I have been a chiropractor for over 10 years and have served Fresno and the Central Valley for over 8 years. My journey through helping people live a healthy, happy life without using drugs or surgery has been a personal journey. You see, I am a seeker in trying to find ways to allow the body to heal itself. My education did not stop after finishing chiropractic school. One of the best things I have done is to train under chiropractic neurologists. These specialists have helped me to add brain-based therapy to my clinic, and the results we have been getting are phenomenal. I want to explain to you that a lot of these chronic disorders that have been presented to our office is neurologically based. What I mean is that the pain may not be in the direct area of complaint, but it is in the brain. Let me explain this. I want you to think of the brain as a muscle, like a muscle that can be fueled and exercised to become stronger. The brain is the same way, and this process is called neuroplasticity, which means we can change the neurons and the way the brain functions. What we're finding in these chronic disorders is that certain parts of the brain have become weak. When certain parts of the brain become weak and certain nerves are not firing, it sets into action, causing different changes in the nervous system that cause these chronic problems you may be suffering from. What brain-based therapy can do is we can test for neurological problems, testing areas of the brain that are weak, and when we can apply a specific exercise or activation to strengthen the area of the brain that is weak. And what we're finding is our results are remarkable. In addition to chiropractic care and brain-based therapy, we have class 4 high-power laser and many other therapies. Now, the brain is just like a muscle. It needs two things. It needs fuel and it needs to be activated. Now, for example, if you just did nothing for a week, like just sit in bed without moving, tasting, feeling, touching, or smelling anything, your brain would just shrivel and die. It's like a muscle. It needs to be worked on. The first thing the brain needs is fuel. And what type of fuel does it need? It needs glucose, which is blood sugar, and we can get it from our diet. And the other fuel is oxygen. Oxygen is like gasoline to your car. The car cannot operate without gasoline, and your brain cannot operate without oxygen. So one of the important therapies that we do to fuel the brain in the brain-based therapy is we use oxygen in our office. Second thing the brain needs is activation. Activation can be compared to exercise. Now, through our types of functional and neurological exams that we do on patients, we're able to pinpoint what area of the brain is weak, and then we can apply a specific exercise to that part of the brain to make it stronger. Once we strengthen the neurological component of this type of chronic disease, which perhaps you are currently experiencing, the patient can get better. We're very excited about how this works. We hope you take more time to explore the website and find the information necessary that will convince you that Kings Canyon Chiropractic is a place for your health care needs, because it can change your life like it has with others. Thank you.